Morning, folks. This is day one of the official Minnesota bus rescue. We had a bit of a prelude when we took an intermission from the Texas bus, but this morning we're on our way, and we should be there probably sometime tomorrow. So, see you in a day. So it's Tuesday, lunchtime. We're back at the bus, and I guess this is day one of round two on my bus getting back together and on the road. We just did about, I don't know, 12, 14 hours of driving. We had a few stops along the way from Traverse City, but we're going to get back at it and hopefully get this out of here in a couple of days. Hopefully it doesn't give us any big headaches like Texas bus did. And things should go well, I think. Look at that, the top rod actually snaps in on this one. Oh yeah, I remember what that looks like. Well, I don't see any big leaks like yours did. Got some oil sitting here actually. That's fresh. That wasn't there before because I had that starter out. I wonder where that's from. Oh, I know what it is. We had that oil line off going to the when we did the starter. We had that oil liner hooked. That's what it is. That coolant line there looks like it could be changed. Take that one off and get one made up. Radiator. Oh, I miss doing radiators in Texas. Yeah, I think I let a lot of clearance here. The other guy who did his Silverside, he didn't have this much clearance, and he wrapped another piece of hose around it to protect it from there, but I can put my whole hand underneath where we fixed that. So, not sure why mine's got more clearance than his does. Maybe his mount sagged. We gotta get belts, we gotta get coolant, we gotta get oil filter, like that. We did all the hoses, except there's one hose hiding back here that we didn't get, but it's way in behind the radiator. Check the transmission fluid. It's alright, it smells alright. So this has the tube that connects it, not the longer nose like your original one did. I wonder if you can change that gasket, like taking the blower off, because that's torn. It's not leaking, we're not going to worry about it until we get home. Yeah, we didn't put this back together, it's just sitting. So they put a remote for all the oil pressure switches here. Looks like there's three of them. 1, 2, 3 of them. I wonder if it's got high pressure, low pressure, and then the gauge, or two gauges. It's still got the original gauge in the dash. I don't think it works. It's interesting. There's three. Must be some kind of a heater somewhere. Plug runs all the way down in the back. Yeah, I think we'll get that coolant line off and we'll get that changed. I don't trust that looking at it. Our list, and we'll do a walk around again with our list inside and out, check our list to make sure we got everything on the list, and see if we need to add anything or modify. I think that's what we're at today. Got half in.